I'm Trina Webster.
And I'm Dan Webster.
We're the founders of Z-Quiet.
Let me be honest, I snored.
Crazy loud.
And I was forced to sleep on the couch most nights.
Dan tried everything, including surgery, to solve his snoring problem.
Nothing worked.
So we turned to experts and created a solution that's a total game changer, a mouthpiece called Z-Quiet.
One that gently opens the airway where the snoring happens. In fact, it's based on the same technology as treatments costing thousands of dollars.
It allows natural jaw movement so you can talk, breathe normally, and best of all, sleep comfortably without making a sound.
And what's really cool is that it couldn't be easier. Just pop it in before you go to sleep.
We know that snoring is a problem for so many families, and we wanted everyone to benefit from our easy solution.
We're proud to say that Z-Quiet is made right here in the USA.
Over 1 million men and women have kicked snoring out of bed thanks to Z-Quiet, and you can too.